Good afternoon, children. Welcome again to our online session. Hope you are all fine with good health. Moving forward to make our teaching learning process enjoyable, let's begin with our English writing skills. What is meant by communication? Communication means sending or receiving message from one end to other. We can express our feelings to other by speaking, writing or silent indications. All living beings communicate to each other in different ways. They have different types of voices and they understand meaning of voice of their species. Human has developed his dialect to communicate with others. We learn different languages to understand meaning of other dialects. Over recent years, letter writing has been replaced by other ways of communicating. Technology has developed so rapidly that we now expect to be able to talk to people instantly and get a response from them almost straight away rather than putting pen to paper. For most of us, it now feels much more natural to send text and emails quickly, typing out our message within seconds. Of course, there are advantages of these modern ways of communicating. We live in a fast paced world and it's important we keep up. We can chat to people all over the globe within seconds. We can also edit our emails before we send them. Whereas if we made mistake on a letter, we would be forced to cross it out or start again. In spite of this, letter writing has some emotions. I don't know a single person who would say that they didn't enjoy receiving a letter through the post. There is something very special about knowing that someone has taken the time to write a handwritten letter for you. It doesn't have to be full of important news after all. Most of our text and emails to friends are just chatting about normal things. But it feels so much more personal to receive just one letter from someone than to receive the hundreds of texts we get every week. And it's not only the person receiving the letter who will benefit from a lovely envelope appearing through their door. I really do think that letter writing can help the writer too. But do we ever think about what we are losing by forgetting about the art of writing? So, let us begin the letter writing revolution. Children, our today's topic is letter writing. Letter writing. Types of letter. Letters formal, informal. Children, today we are going to learn informal letter. Introduction. Informal letter. Informal letters are written to people whom you know well or close to you. You can write letter to family, relatives or friends. Such letters can be written to convey greetings, send invitation, show gratitude, sympathy or any other informal communication. Now let's see method of procedure. Writer's address and date. The one who writes a letter is sender, whereas the one who receives is receiver. This appears on the left hand side of the page followed by date. Greeting or salutation. It appears on the left hand side of the page slightly below the sender's address. The form of greeting depends on the relationship between the writer of the letter and the person to whom it is addressed. However, an informal letter usually begins with Dear. Body of the letter. It contains the main text and its style will depend on the purpose of the letter. It may have more than one paragraph. The introduction, body, and conclusion. Subscription or conclusion. It is a form of polite leave taking and is written below the last words of the letter to the left hand side of the page. The first word of the subscription must begin with a capital letter. Signature of the writer. An informal letter usually ends with the writer's first name. There is no need to write the surname or the signature here. Format of an informal letter: sender's address followed by date, then salutation, body of the letter, subscription, signature. Informal letter: some opening sentence examples and some closing sentence examples are given here. Let's see. Opening sentence examples. How are you? I hope you are doing well. How is life treating you? I hope you find this letter in the pink of health. Closing sentence examples. I'm looking forward to seeing you. See you soon. Give my regards to your parents and love to younger ones. Informal letters are written to people whom you know well or are close to you. They include letters to parents, brothers, sisters, cousins, niece, nephews, uncles, aunts, grandparents, friends. The style of these letters is casual, as if you are conversing with them. Hence, you must use simple vocabulary. Emotions and opinions should be expressed through proper words. Format of an informal letter. Writer's address: Raheja Complex, Gandhinagar, Mumbai 400085. Date 21st September, 2020. There is no punctuation mark at the end of each line in the address. Punctuation mark is used after the name of the place, like Mumbai 400085. The comma in the date is after you mention the month, like 21st September, 2020. Then salutation, greetings. Dear, my dear, dearest. There is a comma after the salutation. First para, second para, third para. The content of the informal letter need not be short. It may have more than one paragraph. The content of the informal letter should be written in a friendly tone. Subscription. Yours lovingly, your loving friend. There is a comma after the complimentary clause at the end of the word, like yours lovingly, comma, your loving friend, comma. Then signature or first name. You have to write your first name. Let's see some few topics for informal letter. Inviting a friend, relative. Advising a friend, brother, sister, cousin. Apologizing to a friend, relative, family member. Thanking a friend, relative for spending holiday together. Congratulating a friend, relative, family member. One example letter. Write a letter to your cousin congratulating him or her on his or her brilliant success in the SSC examination. Left side, sender's address. Diamond Complex, house number hyphen 525. Here, if there is any abbreviation like house number hyphen 525, you can use the punctuation mark. Mumbai hyphen 400057. Date 21st September, 2020. Then salutation. Dear brother Samir. Then our para starts here. I am sure this letter of mine will find you in the pink of health. I am so glad to hear the news of your success in your SSC examination. Hearty congratulations on this wonderful success. I felt so pleased that I wished I were there to congratulate you personally. The result has proved that hard work brings good result. My parents always give me your example. They were very much pleased to hear about your progress. Please encourage me so I can also come out with flying colors in the SSC examination. Convey my regards to uncle and aunt and lots of love to little Pinky. Your loving cousin, Sahil. Thank you.